Hey sunshines, welcome to Jane's Creative Life. In today's video, I am back inside of Ross. I wanted to see if they started putting out their holiday decors. Unfortunately for me, they just started actually, and it looked like they have a long way to go. So I think I might just come back in November when they put out more stuff. But when I was there, I was like, let me just do a browse with me so you guys could see what they had in Ross this week. I just want to thank all my new subscribers. Thank you for joining the family. I greatly appreciate you guys. And those of you who's not subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You will not regret it. Definitely like this video. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Like I always tell you, I do all the legwork, so you don't have to. Any store recommendations that you would like to see, let me know in the comment section. All right, you guys, go ahead and enjoy this video and let's get this browsing started. $12.99. It has 3. And of course they have these. $7.99 for the big one. $6.99 for the medium one. And $5.99 for the small one. They also have it in gold. Candles, more candle stands. They have some on clearance. I have a few of these already. Ooh, this is a nice color candle. $4.99. Okay. Some of this. This is a beautiful candle stand. This is really pretty. For $12.99. They have some more up here, but I'm really liking this. Oh, they have 2. I would just say they have 2. I would need a third one because I need 3. What else they have? Okay. Look at this. $9.99. $15.99. Ross pretty much have some of the same thing the other Rosses had. Of course, you know they have their plants. This is pretty for $10. You need something for the living room, and they have this planter right here. This is for $16.99. Okay. And some more plants up here. Oh, this is real pretty. $11.99. I like that vase. Let's see what else they have. I have one of these already. These book stands. There's space right here. Ooh. This is for $18.99. Wish they had another one. It's cute. These are some of their wall arts. This is $29.99. Oh, this is real pretty for $24.99. This one is for $34.99. For $29.99. I've seen this in gold, and they have this sign that says "This is us." Some curtains, some area rugs. They have this lamp that I saw in a different color. This lamp is for $59.99. Okay, this is the color I previously saw, the darker beige. And now they have this color. See what else they have? These colors right here. Trick or treat. What are the prices of this one? And into the furniture. This is $119.99. It's like a shelf thing. And ooh, yes. How much is this? Let's find out. And they have this right here for $50. I've seen this in black. I've seen this in other colors. I want to see the price. They have two of it actually. Oh my god. For $150, and it's like a storage. Okay. Alright, Rose. It's a little bit tight in here, so I won't be able to get into all of these. But let's try to go on the other side and see what else they got. They have this beautiful wood console table. It's really pretty. Well made. Let's see. It's for $159.99. They have these beautiful blue chairs. They have two for $79.99. And of course, this gorgeous one right here for $50 that we saw over there. They have two. They have this lamp for $45. They have some nice things. I'm thinking about this plant right here. See if I can find out the price. Let's see. It's for $75, which is really cheap, you guys. I'm surprised they have double of a lot of stuff. Like they have two of a lot of things, which is shocking at Ross. Okay now. Really pretty, some nice side tables. But this one here is really a steal. All right, sunshines, this is the end of the Ross video. However, I got a bonus clip for you. I went to DD's next door and they had a few things, so I took some pictures and a little clip of the little bit of things that they had. Hopefully you enjoy it. If you guys are not already subscribed, like I told you in the beginning of the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Love you guys. Stay peaceful. Catch you guys in the next video. Later.